favorite cars probably in the world are just right next to each other. F40 is heading out. YouTube, welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us in the M4 at about 6:30 in the morning. Today we're going to be doing another POV drive. This time we're going to be chasing supercars out to an exotic supercar and hypercar meet, probably about 25-30 minutes away from here. So we should be able to get some action with some of these special cars on the road. So with less being said, let's keep it pushing. Enjoy the ride there. I haven't had my coffee yet, so this is the best way to wake up. Just listen to that. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this forged carbon fiber money clip, which is a great way of holding some cash, your ID, and even some credit cards. And the best thing is they're doing a 20% off Father's Day sale that ends on June 18th. They have everything from carbon fiber watches, sunglasses, phone cases, phone mount, wallets, money clips, and more. So if you guys aren't interested, make sure you use the links in the description for the 20% off Father's Day sale. So with less being said, let's get back on the road and continue on with today's POV drive. Just love this car. But as you can see, man, it's really early, man. Like 6:45 by now. We're getting close. We're about 5 minutes out. Oh my God. As you can see, the M4 is parked up next to a group of clean M cars, man. BBS wheels on both of these right here. One set is gold. We have a nice E36 M3 over here. This color, I believe, is British Racing Green. Really cool spec. You don't see this color on any M car often. The interior is really nice as well. E90s are heading out. They just look so clean, man. Wow, now check out this group of Ferraris, both in like a kind of unique orange color. He has some nice donuts on the front trunk. Man, these specs are really nice. You see the interior on the Spider. LED shift light gain. Wow, this is just nice, man. Come around back. If you guys don't know, these are V8 twin turbo cars. That's sick. Which one are you taking, the Spider or the Coupe? I'm probably gonna go for the Coupe. Even look at the door handles. Really cool. So it's just a quick meetup before we go to the main meet. So we're gonna hop back inside the M4 and get on the road. So as you can see, we are back on the road and we have both the Ferraris in front of us today, looking really good. Literally in a cloud right now. This is pretty cool. Oh my God. Honda in front of us. We just want to get some space. Man, what a sight in the canyons, these kind of cars. Do that all day, guys. Yeah, I wish you guys could smell it right now. It's like it just rained and it's got that real nice foresty smell out here. It smells so good. Got a tunnel. So as you can see, we have the M4 parked up next to the Ferraris. We're riding with these things all the way here. These things are so sick. We didn't really get to see the front end on the road, but I mean, come on, these things are nice. Also a nice F430 parked up over here as well. And here you can see the main part of the meet, greeted with some hypercars, a Koenigsegg Laferrari, a Venador S, or what is it, Ultimate? Not sure which one this is. Really nice as well. Then you got old school Diablo with the headlights, Huracans pulling in. That looks insane. There's also another Koenigsegg in the back. And over in this corner is a Laferrari, an old school Ferrari as well. We're gonna check that out. God, look at these cars moving around. That is just sick. My two favorite cars probably in the world are just right next to each other. You see that nice V12 in the back, full carbon fiber plenum. Jesus. Then you can see that interior as well. That cockpit. That is insane. Obviously doors go up on this. V12 hybrid, almost 1,000 horsepower. No kidding. No way. Exhaust is right there. What Ferrari is this? If you guys know what this car is, let me know. Right here you can see how the doors go up on the Koenigsegg. That's insane. What's really cool about this event, it is right off the marina. So you have a whole bunch of yachts and boats. And then you look this way, you have a whole bunch of exotics. You see right here is a 488 Pista F8. A nice group of cars here in this corner. 720S, appears to be a 570 with a body kit. Then we can see that Huracan that got ticketed in our last video for making loud pops and bangs. Super cool color combo. Man, I mean, check this out. It appears to be an E-Type Jaguar. Red interior. Hopefully that is original. That is sick. Just look how the trunk opens up as well. This is probably my favorite color on this specific car. I mean, yellow brake calipers as well. This generation, man. New ones are really nice. New ones are sick, but if there's gonna be any other RS I would take, it's gonna be this generation right here. Also a nice pair of V12s over here, an 812 Superfast and a Venador SV Roadster. It's a tough choice. Probably gonna have to go to Lamborghini, but honestly, it's tough. I may choose a 458 Speciale just because this is something I feel like I could drive really hard. Color combo is pretty much maize and blue. Man, check out this E30 M3 BBS wheels, but look at the interior. My goodness, probably reupholstered, refreshing. This is insane to see this color combo in this condition. Like a Ruby Star, almost pink color on this 911 GT3 Touring. It's really cool to see this. And then I don't know what the color is on this one. HRE wheels on it. The spec is insane. Interior on this one, manual. You guys are gonna have to excuse me. There's a lot of cars to capture in this video, so I'm gonna try and do my best to get as many of them as I can. And right here we have a Ford GT, but this one not just any Ford GT. It's fully exposed carbon fiber. Look at the interior as well. That exhaust poking out there, the Acro symbol on it. Everything's carbon fiber on this car. I'll check out the 765 LT in a really cool blue color. It appears to be paint as well. Doors are up. Wow, just check out the seats on this thing as well. Oh, this is a proper car. That is insane. A big boy Bentley. And so right here you can see the brand new GT3 RS. So you can see all the aero. F40 just pulled up next to Laferrari. So we just checked out the main show. Man, there are a lot of insane and expensive cars here today. We're gonna check back over by my car to see if any other nice cars pulled up over by mine. A clean F80, clean i8, peanut butter interior. Wow, over here we have a E30 wagon slammed to the ground. I mean, look at the clearance on that. Really cool color though. Not sure of the name, but I gotta say this is nice. There's a nice V10 M5 right by the marina. GT4 over there as well. A few F80s, M2s over in the corner. But this right here, very rare car, a 911 Speedster, the new one. And check out the interior on this. Manual. Wow. Man, listen to this RS idle. So Alan pulled up in the Technica Lamborghini. We're gonna check out the interior.
It's enough of carbon here, bro. Really enough. And if you want to stop this peak, let's do this.
Oh, okay.
To make more comfortable for your subscribers. Yeah.
I appreciate it. Man, you can see this whole door panel is carbon fiber. Man, look at this interior. Super sporty, about as sporty as it can get.
Yeah.
I got you.
We need to bring it back to Lamborghini, okay?
For sure, yeah. Man, so Alan got this as a press car, so shout out to Lamborghini. You see there's a fire extinguisher in the back. We got nice embroidery on the headliner as well. Around the dash is Technica. This is so sick. Switch your driver's modes right here.
Yeah, let's start it up.
You see, this is the key right here.
Burnout.
We're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Man.
Switch to Corsa because in Strada it's a little bit. Yep.
Oh, the valves open up right there. So nice. Man, I gotta say, I love BMWs, man, but Lamborghini, I think for me it goes like BMW, Porsche, then Lamborghini. Ferraris are nice, but and these are just made to be driven really hard, really loud cars.
Ready to switch from BMW to something incredible, bro?
Let's do 100 grand.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. I'll prepare all paperwork, okay?
For sure, yeah. Hello. This is the Technica from the outside, so huge shout out to Alan for letting me give this thing a nice little feel.
Our next event is on June 11th.
Really cool though.
You're welcome.
It's like a little Batmobile. F40 is heading out. Oh my God, look at these cars. Woo. And another McLaren. So you can see we're back on the road. We just left the meet. Seems to be a Ferrari day.